Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best steam grill brush is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your grilling arsenal. After a delicious cookout, the last thing anyone wants to do is scrub a dirty grill. But with the right steam cleaning brush, you can effortlessly remove grease and grime, making your grill ready for the next culinary adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam grill brushes to find the perfect one for you. Number 5. Grill Rescue Bristle-Free Barbecue Cleaning Brush. Tired of dangerous wire bristles? This brush offers a safe alternative. It's designed to eliminate the risk of bristles ending up in your food, ensuring a worry-free grilling experience. Built to last, this cleaning head can withstand high temperatures. The durable design ensures it can handle even the toughest grill residue, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cleaning your grill is now a breeze. Simply heat your grill, dip the brush in water, and let the steam cleaning technology do the work. It's quick, easy, and effective. Trusted by grill masters, this brush features a comfortable grip. This tool is built to last, making it perfect for frequent grillers and backyard chefs alike. Whether you have a gas, charcoal, or pellet grill, this brush has you covered. Add it to your barbecue accessories for a safer and more effective grilling experience. Extend the life of your grill brush with the replaceable cleaning head. This innovative feature offers a sustainable and cost-effective solution for grill enthusiasts. What we like. This brush is designed with your safety in mind, featuring a bristle-free design to eliminate any risk of bristles ending up in your food. It also boasts superior heat resistance and a replaceable cleaning head, ensuring it lasts. If you're looking for a safe, durable, and long-lasting grill cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great tool for any barbecuer. The key is to keep the grill hot, like over 400 F, and the wet pad steams off the grates. It is built solid and cleans exactly as advertised. Number 4. Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush, 18-inch. Tired of spending ages cleaning your grill? This 3-in-1 brush cleans 3 times faster than regular brushes. It's more effective at removing burnt-on residue, making your grilling experience much easier. This grill cleaner is perfect for any outdoor grill, including porcelain, ceramic, and infrared models. You can dip it in water while the grill is hot for the best cleaning results. It's a durable and heavy-duty tool. This brush is built to last. It's 60% more rigid than standard brushes, so it won't bend or become flimsy. This provides a safe and durable alternative to other grill cleaning options. The 18-inch handle gives you great control while keeping your hands away from the heat. It requires less effort than shorter brushes, and it avoids the bulkiness of longer ones. Buy with confidence knowing that your purchase is protected. This grill scraper is superior to brushes with non-metal bristles. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with this product. What we like. With its 3-in-1 design, this brush cleans 3 times faster than conventional brushes, saving you valuable time and effort. It's suitable for all grill types and features a long handle to keep your hands away from the heat. If you value speed and efficiency in your grill cleaning routine, this brush is an excellent choice. What people say. The ergonomics and overall design allow this brush to clean grill grates with little exertion and excellent efficiency. Works great on my stainless steel grates. Durable and the bristles stay on. This is a great tool for cleaning your grill smoker grates. It seems well made and is a generous size. Best advice I can give is to dip the brush in water multiple times and use on your grates immediately after cooking, while it's still hot. It steams up and cleans super fast and easy that way. Number 3. Drillbrush Grill Brush Kit, Barbecue Accessories. Tired of struggling with grill cleaning? This kit utilizes the power of your cordless drill to make the job easier. It's designed to save you time and effort when cleaning your grill. These ultra-stiff brushes are a safe alternative to traditional wire brushes. They're perfect for removing baked-on food and grease. You can restore your grill to like-new condition with it. Forget about dangerous wire bristles ending up in your food. This brush set has no wires, making it much safer. It's a worry-free way to get your grill sparkling clean. The kit includes various brush sizes to tackle any cleaning challenge. From tight corners to large surfaces, it has everything you need. This set ensures a thorough clean every time. Cleanup is a breeze with these nylon brushes, just use hot soapy water. It's not just for grills, it can also be used for other cleaning tasks. This makes it a versatile tool for various cleaning needs. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a quality product. Drillbrush offers a 90-day return policy. If you're not happy, they'll make it right. What we like. This kit utilizes the power of your cordless drill for a more efficient and thorough cleaning experience. The ultra-stiff bristles are designed to tackle even the toughest grime, and the absence of wires ensures safety. If you have a lot of stubborn grease and baked-on food to remove, and want a powerful cleaning solution, this drill brush kit is perfect for you. What people say. They work really good for cleaning my smoker's grates. Works great. We had a very dirty grill. My husband says this works fantastic to get the yuck away. For those times my wife makes me clean the stove, I hood these to the drill and get the job done quick. Works very well, durable and reasonable priced. 2 thumbs up. Number 2. KP 3-in-1 Grill Cleaning Kit. Tired of spending more time cleaning than enjoying your food? This kit is designed to let you focus on the delicious results. It includes everything you need for easy grilling and minimal cleanup. This bristle-free brush and scraper ensure a safe and thorough clean. The extra-thick brush cleans faster, and the long handle keeps you safe. It's compatible with various grill types. The included barbecue mat lets you cook without the mess. It's heat-resistant, non-stick, and dishwasher safe. This means less cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. This set offers incredible value. You'll also receive bonus recipe ebooks to elevate your grilling game. Impress your friends and family with your amazing barbecue skills. We want you to be completely satisfied. That's why this barbecue brush and mat set comes with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This set includes a bristle-free grill brush, scraper, and a grill mat, offering a complete grilling solution. The grill mat keeps your grill grease-free, and the brush and scraper ensure a safe and effective cleaning experience. If you like a comprehensive grilling kit that covers all your needs, this set is a great value. What people say. It's a remarkable innovation that ensures a safe and worry-free cleaning experience. The brush's sturdy construction and high-quality materials make it incredibly durable, allowing me to scrub away stubborn residue without worrying about damaging the grill grates. The grill scraper that comes with the set is an excellent addition. It effortlessly removes any tough, stuck-on grease or grime, making the cleaning process much more efficient. Number 1. Q-Swiper Grill Cleaner Set. This is the Q-Swiper Grill Cleaner Set. It includes a bristle-free grill brush with a scraper and cleaning wipes. This set is designed to make your grilling experience cleaner and safer. The Q-Swiper set is easy to use on your grill grates or griddle. The moist wipes use food-safe ingredients and natural cleaning agents. It's a safe way to remove grease and grime. The moist grill wipes remove grease, and the brush has a scraper to remove burnt-on food. You'll taste your food, not your grill, after using this set. Each wipe is replaceable, so you use a fresh one every time. It's a healthier alternative to reusing dirty brushes or scrapers. This is an ideal grill accessory. The wipes have 3D cleaning nodules and tough cleaning agents to remove grease. They are designed to tackle even the toughest grill grime. Q-Swiper wipes are safe for all grill grate surfaces, including stainless steel and cast iron. It's suitable for various grill brands. Always use it on a cool grill. What we like. This unique set includes cleaning wipes, making it incredibly easy to clean your grill grates. The wipes are infused with safe, natural cleaning agents, ensuring a healthy grilling experience. If you are looking for a convenient and hygienic way to clean your grill, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The hard scraper does a great job of removing burnt-on pieces, while the scrubber and wipes are so much safer than traditional wire grill brushes. Cleans well, like a Swiffer, without the worry of losing bristles in your food. I just used these to clean my grill surface after smoking ribs for about 4 hours and they worked very well. Cleaning wipes stay on the brush scraper and got my grids very clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.